Hello, I'm Puck and I want to get my hair cut.
You want to get your hair cut?
I want to get my hair cut.
And a nice trendy new color.
Yes.
But certainly in the blonde colors.
Yeah. I don't want it any
go
darker.
for a nice peach or something.
Yeah.
Will you turn so they can see how long your hair is? Puck has already a video on YouTube. And then it's this high up into a bob. But that we don't going to do. We leave it nice long, cut it with
yeah. Maybe
hot
some other time.
scissor. Hello friends on YouTube, this is Puck again. And Puck is also a friend of mine because we know each other for her whole life. So that's a long time. And she went to school with my own son, so that's why I also know her. Going to cut her hair with TC1 haircut of Jaguar just to prevent the splitting ends and then give her a nice new color. But I also wanted to show you that she's still around. And when you see the video where she's got a bob high up, she really lost it. I also did, but there's a lot of comments on it. So, and most people think I will never see her back, but she is more in this place than you'll ever know, because she always comes with her sister Emmy. So they come together. Starting with protection. Now I try to hide her on the prairie. Put her zebra keep on. Nice neck paper. Neck papers are in Corona time also wonderful tools, because people can be sweaty and the throwaway capes mostly get that irritating and that hot that everybody is sweating under it, so it's not the best thing for Corona time. And this paper adopts all the moist, so it's much better and much healthier. Take out the clips, take leave your garden brush, brush it through the hairs. Now I really love the curly effect, so I think I will give her a karma roller set afterwards, so you have nice new curls again. Applying some water on the hairs. This I need to work with the TC1 haircut because the hairs need to be a little bit moist to seal the hairs, not totally wet. You can see already that it's a layered hairstyle. Okay, starting with the cut. Knowing that it's a layered hairstyle, I take the natural lines of the skull, take the hairs to the front, stay straight at the side, watch at the natural curves of the skull, go in and cut the hairs. The nice thing of this scissor is that it don't pull hairs, it only seals them. It works very gently. And even on colored hair, the hair stays closed for more than 4 months. So 4 months, no split ends. Nou, ik heb 1 keer dat gehad met man bij het hond als voorbeeld. Dat halen ze dan eruit, dat stukje. Wet the upper hair a bit. Take the hair from the left side over to the right side. Hold them on the line of cutting. And connect them to the line. This way I have a guideline to the other side, and I also know that they connect to each other. Lay the hair back, go to the other side, co-work from the right side. Part me the first line again. Take the hairs up, go over. Take the line on the line. Use the point cut technique. Always watch at the skull, at the shapes. Parting on the skull bone. Pin the hairs aside. Do this on both sides, of course. Going down. Make myself a guideline. Knowing that's a layered hairstyle, I go free the upper hair. Lay it on the hairs, get rid of the dry ends, lay it in a natural fall, connect the line to the line of cutting. Start on the fontanelle, take the hairs up, point cut on top. So now I'm certain that I've cut all the hairs. And I can really feel the difference, because when the hair is a big cut, it's nice, smooth, easy going. Now so far the cut, so now I can make her a collar. Pug's hair, I also use a product to protect the hairs. It's a two-step product. So I put step 1 into the mix of the collar, into the bowl. Made her a collar with 3% of stand volume. Using this product of Kin, and make also a photo of that into the video. And this is a real nice collar. Really soft for the hairs. And for the skin. Applying this over her hair, totally of course. Then we leave it on for 20 minutes. Then rinse it out. And then I'll be back for styling of hair. Okay, got all the product on her hair. It's a real soft, creamy product. Smells also creamy.
And soft.
And soft. We're just joking about it, but it's a real soft product. It really is. I can know. It's not fake news. Close this up. Leave it on the hair for 25 minutes without heat. Rinse it out. And show you the styling of hair. So don't go away. Stay where you are. I'll put a little stop and take a coffee. We do also. Okay, we're back. Coloring. Rinse it out, did nothing else. Now I put in this product of Glint. Gives a lot of energy to the hair. And supports step 2 into the hairs. We rinse it out and put step 2 into the hairs. This gives a lot of power to the hairs and seals the step 1 into the hairs, so the hairs get a much better condition. I'm going to dry this hair and then I'm going to set in some rollers to give it that curly effect. Now drying is not the most wonderful thing to watch, but I show you the end result. And then before I put in the rollers you can see how the hair glows. So far blow drying. Now I ask it to turn so you can see how the color is and how nice the hair glows because of the wonderful color. Now I can set in some rollers. I'm gonna work with carbon rollers, hot rollers. I'll show you when I'm ready with rolling in where I put the rollers and how they are on the head. But I do them all this way. Okay, puck will turn so you see where the rollers are and what kind of rollers I used. They have to cool down, so in the meantime I'm gonna blow dry sister's hair. Taking out the rollers. The nice thing of this roller is that you can hold them on the finger. In the underparts I come a bit against. I can really feel that the condition of the hair is wonderful. beetje. And this is my new hairstyle and new color for Puck. And don't tell her she doesn't have curly hair. Thank you for watching and thank her for being my model. Till next time, she will turn so you see the end result. Boo.
Wow. Hello, I'm Puck and I want to get my hair cut.
You want to get your hair cut.
I want to get my hair
And
cut.
a nice trendy new color.
Yes.
But certainly in the blonde colors.
Yeah. I don't want it
Okay,
any
go
darker.
for a nice peach or something.
Yeah.
Like that. Will you turn so they can see how long your hair is? Puck has already a video on YouTube. And then it's this high up into a bob. But that we don't going to do. We leave it nice long